Welcome back, woodworking enthusiasts. In today's video, we're checking out the top 5 best router lifts on AliExpress. Whether you're a pro or just starting, these tools will take your woodworking to the next level with precision and ease. Let's dive in. Number 1. Router Lift Kit with Aluminum Router Plate. We're checking out the Woodworking Router Lift Kit, a super handy tool for any woodworking project. If you're into DIY or serious about woodworking, this could be a game changer. This kit includes an aluminum router table insert plate that feels super sturdy and well built. It's 240 by 200 by 5 mm in size, making it a great fit for most standard tables. The miter gauge guide and bracket make adjustments easy and precise, helping you get those clean, accurate cuts. It's designed for 65 mm diameter motors, so make sure your router is compatible. What I really love is how smooth the lift mechanism works, adjusting the height is quick and hassle-free. Plus, it comes neatly packed in a box, so no worries about damage during shipping. Overall, the FEL Router Lift Kit is a solid choice for anyone serious about woodworking. It's well made, easy to use, and makes your projects way more precise. If you're looking to upgrade your setup, definitely check this one out. Number 2. Aluminum Router Table Insert Plate Router Lift Kit. If you're into woodworking, you know how important precision and convenience are. Today, I'm reviewing the Aluminum Router Table Insert Plate Router Lift Kit, a game changer for your woodworking setup. This router lift kit is designed for 65 mm diameter motors, making it perfect for most standard routers. The aluminum build gives it a sturdy and durable feel, which means it can handle heavy use without warping or bending. Installing it on your workbench is pretty straightforward, and the lift mechanism makes adjusting the router height super smooth and precise. No more struggling with height adjustments mid-project. Overall, the FEL Router Lift Kit is a solid upgrade for any woodworking enthusiast. It's well built, easy to use, and makes routing a breeze. If you want to take your woodworking game to the next level, this is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews. See you in the next one. Number 3. Enjoywood GD7 Pro Router Lift. If you love woodworking, you know how tricky it can be to get that perfect router height. Today, I'm checking out the Enjoywood GD7 Pro Router Lift, designed for 65 mm and 69 mm wood routers. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, the build quality is solid. The aluminum router plate feels durable and precise, which is exactly what you need for accurate cuts. Adjusting the height is super smooth thanks to the lift mechanism, no more struggling with uneven cuts. It's easy to install on most router tables, and the setup is pretty straightforward. Plus, the included case keeps everything organized. Whether you're a pro or a DIY enthusiast, this lift will save you time and improve your accuracy. Overall, the Enjoywood GD7 Pro is a reliable upgrade for any woodworking setup. It's precise, easy to use, and built to last. If you want to make routing easier and more accurate, this is a solid pick. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews. See you next time. Number 4. Woodworking Router Lift Retrofit Screws. If you've ever struggled with setting up your router table, I've got something that might help: the Woodworking Router Lift Retrofit Screws by Tor. Let's see how these screws can make your woodworking projects easier and more precise. These retrofit screws are designed to help you secure and adjust your router lift with ease. They're made from high-quality materials, so they feel strong and durable. Installing them on your router table or engraving machine is super simple. Just screw them in, and you're good to go. They provide a stable and secure fit, which helps keep your cuts smooth and precise. Plus, they work well with most standard router tables and trimming machines, making them a versatile addition to your toolkit. Overall, the Woodworking Router Lift Retrofit Screws are a small but powerful upgrade for any woodworker. Easy to install, reliable, and durable, they're definitely worth it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews. Catch you in the next one. Number 5. Upgrade Precision Router Lift System and Aluminum Router Table Insert Plate. If you love woodworking, you know how tricky it can be to get that perfect router height. Today, I'm checking out the Upgrade Precision Router Lift System by FEL, designed to make height adjustments quick and easy. Let's see if it's worth it. The build quality is solid. The aluminum router table insert plate feels durable and well made. It's designed to fit most router tables, and the lift mechanism works smoothly, giving you precise control over height adjustments. No more uneven cuts or constant readjusting. The setup is straightforward, and it even comes with a convenient storage bag. Whether you're a pro or a weekend DIYer, this lift system will save you time and improve your accuracy. Overall, The FEL Router Lift System is a great addition to any woodworking setup. Here are our top 5 picks, carefully selected based on our personal research, ratings, reviews, quality, and durability to ensure the best choices for you. We hope this video has been helpful. If you found it useful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Stay tuned for more amazing product reviews, and thank you for watching.